How long does it take to place a mini implant? It can be done fairly quickly. I've placed implants in 15 minutes. I've placed a temporary on top of that implant, and the patient is in and out of my office in a half an hour to 45 minutes. If we have to place more implants, it'll take a little bit longer. If we do a full mouth of implants, you might be with me for an hour or an hour and a half. But a lot of that time is spent in planning your case and making sure that the restorations are designed to fit your mouth and to allow you to function as you need to. So the actual placing of the implant itself doesn't take much time at all. So I would love to see you for a free consultation, and we can talk about your needs.